How to turn on voice scan option on your Snapchat account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snapchat. After this, when your Snapchat is opening, you go here and open your profile. Then you go to settings and click, and then you will just go down and you will find an option to name it voice scan. You will click, and voice scan. Here you will turn on this option by clicking here on this place like that, and as you see, voice scan enable. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.